Hi, I'm Kay, and here are the 12 laws of karma. First rule, the law of creation. Life doesn't just happen, it requires our participation. We are connected with the universe both inside and out. Just like sunflower follows sun throughout the day, you don't just sit and wait for the good things to magically happen in your life. You have to actively go out and make things happen for yourself. Be and do yourself. Make efforts on the road which holds your destinations to make the journey worthwhile. And that's life. Second rule, the law of humility. One must accept something in order to change it. Highly successful people, they're all strong, kind, generous, and very humble people, but when they all started on their path, they had to accept certain things about themselves and society. World is not perfect, it never will be. If you think current situation is not perfect for you to start your business or find love, guess what? Time will never be perfect, but that shouldn't stop you from going after what you want. Accept the reality, politics, society, finances, whatever. Show respect to the truth of situation, accept it, yet take action on your plans. Third rule, the law of growth. Wherever you go, there you are. The universal law of growth is about expansion, namely within ourselves. You should be very clear on what you can control. Your thoughts, emotions and actions. Forget about controlling others. You'll only waste your time trying to do so. Once you control yourself, 90% of your life will go in the direction you desire. So focus on it. Fourth rule, the great law. As you sow, so shall you reap. This is also known as the law of cause and effect. Whatever we put out in the universe is what comes back to us. Like you put energy in gym to gain muscle and stamina, like you put effort in study to gain knowledge. Kind of effort you put, likewise results you get. Fifth rule, the law of responsibility. If there is something wrong in your life, something somewhere needs to be corrected within you. We mirror what surrounds us, and what surrounds us mirror ourselves. This is a universal truth. One must take responsibility for what. If you think you're not happy or successful because of someone else, for once, just say this to yourself. It is your responsibility to make things happen for yourself. And when you start believing it, you will see it was always your action, and especially your reaction to others' actions, that made up your reality. So take responsibility for your reality in your thoughts first before in the action. Sixth rule, the law of connection. The smallest or seemingly least important of things must be done because everything in the universe is connected. Each step leads to the next step, and so forth and so on. Someone must do the initial work to get the job done. Neither the first step nor the last are of greater significance. They are both needed to accomplish the task. Past, present, future, they are all connected. Everything and every person is connected in some way. Remember, nothing happens in life for no reason. If you wish to build a business empire and be its king one day, start from ground zero, because somebody has to. The law of focus. You can't think of two things at the same time without losing value in at least one of them. When you focus on being happy, it is impossible for you to have lower vibration thoughts such as depression or sadness. Remember, where focus goes, attention flows, and the result shows. Eighth rule, the law of giving and humility. If you believe something to be true, then sometimes in your life you will be called upon to demonstrate that truth. Here is where one puts what they claim to have learned into practice. This law of karma is all about selflessness. If you see yourself on pedestal, constantly put efforts to grow, learn from your mistakes, eventually one day you will find yourself on a pedestal. Ninth rule, the law of here and now. Looking back to examine what was prevents us from being totally in the present. Present is what makes the future. Most of us live our lives thinking about the past. What we did wrong, playing the same old recording in our minds, procrastinating, old thoughts, old patterns of behavior, old dreams, they all prevent us from having new ones. It's all about being in the present. 10th rule, the law of change. History repeats itself until we learn the lesson that we need to change our path. The problem with modern society is that so many people are thinking too much and feeling too little. To change the pattern and the problem, We must be able to connect the thoughts and the feelings and then make the changes accordingly. If you're consistently failing in business or relationships, there is a lesson hidden in those failures that you are probably missing it. Once you understand it, master it, your destiny will open the doors for the next level. 11th rule, the law of patience and reward. All rewards require initial toil. Big rewards require patience and persistent toil. True joy comes from doing what one is supposed to be doing and knowing that the reward will come in its own time. Hard work always pays off. 12th rule, the law of significance and inspiration. You get back something from whatever you put effort into. The value of something is in direct result of the energy and intent that you put into it. You must understand this thing. You, me, this planet and universe are all just atoms and vibrations, and all are interlinked to each other. So we all have some value to give, something to contribute in this universe from our knowledge and experience, no matter how small. Whenever you make a creative, loving contribution to the world around you, your act inspires similar positive behavior in others and attract more positivity back to your life.